All right, practice problem 1. We started out with one that doesn't need you to do step 1. I've already solved for y. How do you know? This y is all by itself. So all you need to do is write your slope as a fraction. It has to be a fraction. And then you need to find your y-intercept. So mx plus b, right? mb. So my slope as a fraction is 3 over 1. It's positive. So I can go up and right, or I can go down and left. My y-intercept is my b, which is -2. Don't forget the sign. How do I graph this? Step 2 says put the y-intercept on the graph. Y-intercept, find your y-axis, go to -2, and put a point. They're not numbered, but -1, -2. Now I'm going to use my slope, okay? I can go either way. I have enough space. I'm going to start here at my y-intercept, and I'm going to go up and right. That's easy for me. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, right 1, put a point. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 1 to the right, put a point. Carefully connect your points with a ruler or a straight edge. Add your arrows. That's number 1. Let's see if you were able to answer number 2. Explain how to graph a function that's written in slope-intercept form. This is the conjecture. This is literally asking you, how do you graph? So, to graph a function written in slope-intercept form, I'm just going to put INT because these are my notes. First, put the y-intercept on the graph. Then use slope to find 2 more points on the line. That's it. It's the steps, it's the conjecture, whichever way makes sense to you. They're all saying the same thing, to find 2 more points on the line. That's it. That is it. Now you're going to do practice problems 3 and 4.